So I will give names for this. I will give names for this. If this is A, B, C, and this inputs also I will take, first input is A, second input is B, and third input is C. Okay. Now I have taken 3 input lines are present. Now I have 3 input lines. Okay. 3 input lines. Overall diagram should have 4 by 16, which means 4 input lines, and 16 output lines. 16 output lines. Already 16 output lines we have matched. Now what I will do, I will go with a inverter which will make the second decoder on, without inverter which will make the first decoder on. This is the input line. Okay, this is the input line. Fourth input line. ABC are normally present. Okay, 3 input lines. You understood what I am trying to tell? So we have to design 4 by 16 decoder. So overall input line should be 4 in number. Overall output line should be 16 in number. But in the design, you have to use only 3 by 8 decoders. So initially I have taken 3 by 8 decoder. Okay. So this is without formula, it is possible here. How that 8 by 8 extra came, I will tell you in another question. Okay. When I take another question, I will tell you how that extra 8 by 8 will come. Here, we are just dividing. If formula is required, we are just dividing number of required output lines by number of existing output lines. So total number of decoders required are 2 in number. Okay. The formula is, simple shortcut formula is total number of output lines required divided by total number of existing output lines, 16 by 8, which is nothing but 2. This is the formula when you are going to use same type of decoders. You can use this simple formula. If different
Ma'am,
types
we can
of
use buffer, no, ma'am?
Buffer, where you will use buffer?
Ma'am, instead of inverter, ma'am. Inverter means
No,
one will be on, one will be off, no, ma'am. Only 8
yes.
output.
Buffer means at a time 16 will come. No, buffer means at a time 16 will come. Okay, if you are giving buffer, same D will be.
Yes, ma'am. At a time 16 will be coming.
This is first decoder. This is second decoder. I want only output lines whichever required at one particular point. So this is I0, I1, like that, I7. Okay. This is I8. Up to I15. So I will not be requiring all the outputs of first decoder, second decoder at a time. So
Only
it should be
outputs.
inverter only. It acts as an enable pin. It acts similar to enable pin. Okay. This fourth input is nothing but enable pin, which will make on and off for the decoder. Okay. And here if you see the formula what I have done, that +1 will come when different types of decoders you are using. That we will try. Okay. Here same type of decoders you are using. So it is a simple formula, number of required outputs divided by number of existing outputs. So it is coming as 2. Inputs you have to join ABC like this, and that extra fourth pin will be the enable pin. Now you see overall input lines are 4 in number, overall output lines are 16 in number. So in this case our output is 2. In this case our output answer is 2. Okay. Our answer, 2 decoders are required. Okay. Now I am going to the next question. Construct 5 by 32 decoder using minimum number of 3 by 8 and 2 by 4 decoders. Minimum number of 3 by 8 and 2 by 4 decoders. Okay. So first what I will do, I want 32 output lines. This is my final decoder to be designed. Okay. So what I will do, I will consider 3 by 8. So 8 output lines will come out from each of this decoder. So here 8 lines are there. Again here 8 lines are there, 16 completed. And another 8 lines. Okay. This again 3 by 8. This is 3 by 8. So here 8 lines, here 8 lines. Okay. So totally I am going to get 32 output lines. 32 output lines. What I am satisfying, this final output 32 lines are obtained using 4 3 by 8 decoders. Using 4 3 by 8 decoders. Now what I will do, this will have 3 input lines, 3 input lines, 3 input lines, 3 input lines. Okay. Now input lines are okay, but you want enable pin, no? Which one should come on when? Okay, this is I0, this is I7, this is I8 will start, I15 will be the last line, I16 will start, and then I23 is the last line, I24 will start, and last line is I31. 32 output lines. 32 output lines. But you have to enable the decoders. You have to enable the decoders. So what we will do, 2 by 4 decoders we can use. 2 by 4 decoders we can use. And 4 output lines are going to come. 4 output lines are going to come. So if you use 2 by 4 decoder, if you use 2 by 4, 2 input lines. But if you see output, overall input lines are 5 in number. Okay, this is overall input lines. Overall input lines. Okay. Now this entire diagram, it should be 5 by 32. 5 is number of input lines. Overall diagram number of input lines. 32 is overall number of output lines. Output lines, it is satisfied, we got it. Now what we will do, we will go with the input lines. You make them common. And this is A, B, C, 3 input lines. You connect them. Sorry, first one I will connect as A, second one as B, and third one as C. Okay, and this A extend for the next one also, B extend for the next one, C extend for the next one. And the first one again connect here. A is the first input. All the decoders, A is the first input, B is the second input, C is the third input. Okay, all the inputs are connected. So 3 input lines are here. Commonly 3 input lines are here. Now these are 2 input lines. These are 2 input lines. Okay. Now overall if you see, this combinedly will become 5 input lines. Combinedly will become 5 input lines. This overall input 5 is also satisfied. Now we are having 2 by 4 decoder means 4 output lines. 2 by 4 decoder means 4 output lines. But whatever you are going to give here, whether it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, this will depend on the input what you are giving here. D and E, values of D and E will decide. Values of D and E will decide which output will be active. Okay, other outputs will be inactive. Only one particular time, one output will be active. Okay, in the 2 by 4 decoder, one time only one output can be active. 1 minute. So it is almost completed. Solution is almost completed. So second one you have to give to second decoder, third one to third decoder, and fourth one to fourth decoder. Okay, this is how one decoder will be activated at one particular time. One decoder will be activated at one particular time. Okay, and here on the whole, how many decoders you are using? How many decoders you are using? Okay, so 4 3 by 8 decoders you are using. 4 3 by 8 decoders. 1 2 by 4 decoder is used. 1 2 by 4 decoder is used. So totally 5 in number. Totally 5 in number. Okay. And here the thing is, in decoder, so I will go with some rough discussion. In the decoder, the thing is, if I take 3 by 8 decoder, 3 input and 8 output lines. Okay. And active high, output is active high means, outputs are active high means, here no bubble, outputs are as it is. This is I0, I1 like that up to I7. Internal design will be using AND gates. Using AND gates, internal design is done if outputs are active high. Okay. same decoder can be available with active low signals. This is I0, I1, I2 like that, I7, and it is also 3 by 8 decoder only. It is also 3 by 8 decoder only, but outputs are active low. In this case, internally, it is designed using NAND gates. Okay. So, whether you are using with inverter or without inverter, why I am telling all the story, you are connecting the outputs of 2 by 4 decoder. You are connecting the outputs of 2 by 4 decoder as enable pin. This is first decoder, enable 1, second decoder, enable 2, third decoder, enable 3, fourth decoder, enable 4. Okay. Whether you are using with bubble or without bubble, with inverter or without inverter, that depends on the internal design, whether it is with AND gate or OR gate, something like that. So overall, our answer is 5 decoders are used. 4 3 by 8 decoders are required and 1 2 by 4 decoder is required in order to design this. Okay. And this is the general information of decoder. Outputs are active high means internally AND gates are used. Outputs are active low means internally NAND gates are used. In this question also you can see implement full adder using active low output decoder. Active low means internally NAND gate should be used. Okay.